Hello everyone. Today I will show you how to fix valve index base station blinking red. If your valve index base station is still blinking red, here are a few more quick fixes you can try. First, update the firmware in SteamVR. Open SteamVR and see if your base station shows an update alert. If it does, install the update and restart SteamVR. A firmware update can clear many internal errors. Next, try swapping the power adapters between your two base stations. Turn them off, switch the adapters, and turn them back on. If the blinking red moves to the other unit, the power adapter is the problem. If it stays on the same unit, the issue is inside the base station. You can also try testing the base station with only one unit active. Turn off or unplug the second base station and run SteamVR with just the one that is blinking red. If the red blinking stops when it is running alone, then the problem may be a sync conflict between the two base stations. In that case, make sure one is set to channel B and the other to channel C, or enable automatic channel mode in SteamVR. Another simple fix is resetting your SteamVR USB devices. Open SteamVR settings, go to the developer section, and click the option to remove all SteamVR USB devices. Restart your computer and open SteamVR again. This clears hidden connection problems that may trigger the red blinking light. These steps can help you narrow down the cause and may get your base station working again. Thanks for watching.